Hello, hi. If you're new, welcome. This is a new era of my life, so I hope you enjoy it. Just specifically for this new era, I'm going to start this new series on my channel in which you will see how my life is as an exchange student at Korea University, because yes, I'm going to Korea again. If you watched my vlogs last year when I was in Korea, you know that in my last vlog I said something along the lines, I really want to come back as an exchange student, and now I'm gonna be fulfilling that dream. Dreams do come true, guys. You just have to believe. You just have to work hard. Okay, anyway.
떨어져서 가는 거야. 편하게. 없어. Hi, I am at my dorm. I will give you a room tour at some point, not right now because this is not a mess. I did organize my clothes and stuff. There's loads of things that I really shouldn't show on camera. It's nothing weird, it's just that it's disorganized and I don't want people to think that I'm a messy person, which I am, but just emotionally. It's been a chaotic day. Chaotic days, actually. I'm fine. Now that I took a shower, I feel like a human being again. I felt so gross. You can't even imagine. I went to 𝚝𝚙, which is like the Korean one-stop shop for anything you need. And I was wearing the clothes that I had been wearing at the aeroplane. And I felt so disgusting and so dirty, and I just wanted to take a shower, but I couldn't because I had to buy some stuff the 𝚝𝚙, and then I had to eat dinner. I wasn't even hungry, but I found this really cute restaurant that is pretty close to my place, and they did really good Korean food for not much. Actually, it was quite cheap, and I couldn't finish it because they were closing, so I have it here. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow for lunch, most probably. Now I'm gonna go finish organizing everything because I hate being disorganized and having everything be a mess around me. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. Hello, good morning. We are in the same setting, as you can see. So I slept not much. I went to sleep at like I think maybe 1 a.m. 2 a.m. and I woke up at 7. Every single time I've been to Korea
I've been here 2 times. Calm down. I just naturally wake up early. Today I have to do a lot of stuff. Not a lot of stuff, but I have to do stuff. I have to buy some things for my 𝚏. In the afternoon I'm going to be meeting with Irene, who's the girl from my same uni and from my same bachelor's degree. We're going to go to Cᴏᴍᴘ, which is a really cool mountain and very famous too. Remember my first day in Korea last year? The first thing I said, I think, it was something like, wow, it's very gloomy. Today it's very gloomy as well. But it's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's have breakfast at our well-known composed coffee. I mean, V is there, right? So we have to go. Hello, I'm at the kitchen of my apartment thing, and then right here we have the laundry room. Now you might be wondering, this is so funny. So you might be wondering why I'm here instead of at the campus cafeteria coffee house. Well, they kicked me out. No, I'm joking. They didn't really kick me out. They told me that I had to buy a drink if I wanted to sit there, and I had only bought like an egg and ham sandwich and some mini 𝚝𝚤. They were like, yeah, you need to buy a drink, you can't just eat dessert here. And I was like, well, I'm just gonna take it to go then. I got this. Oh, it's still scorching hot. And then this. So I have never tried 𝚝𝚤. I didn't expect my first 𝚝𝚤 to be from composed coffee. I don't expect it to be the best. I just wanted to try it out. Also, it's mini, so it's cute. But yeah, I expect the actual good 𝚝𝚤 to be from the street vendors. Also, this room is quite cool. It has like a projector and everything. We can have a movie night. The problem is there is no AC and it is very hot. So I'm just gonna use my portable fan, which my sister bought for me because she loves me and she's the best. Unless there is AC and I just don't know because I'm an idiot. Here we are back again with my beloved egg and ham sandwich that I used to eat every single day, or almost every single day last year when I was here again. Let me tell you, the cafes here sell mostly just sweet stuff and very sweet stuff. Loads of cakes, loads of frappes with a lot of cream and chocolate, and it's like fine, I love sweet food, but my first meal cannot be just sweet. I need to have something salty first, something savory. Not a fan of the bread. The one from Dunkin' Donuts from last year was much better. I'm scared because I have tried pad before. Pad is the red bean paste that these are made of, and I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I'm in Korea, I should try it. Look at this, it's so cute.
Bruh.
No, it's not my cup of tea. They are not to my liking, but not because they are bad. I can see how someone would enjoy this. Okay, time for a room tour. Oh, I didn't make the bed, sorry. This is the door, obviously with a good old mirror. Here we have the bathroom, okay? This is what you get, and that is the shower. And then my bed, my suitcase, that is dirty clothes that I need to wash. And this is my desk, a wardrobe.
I'm back. You will be tired of seeing my face, but to be honest, I wanted to film at Lᴏ്쏘ᴅ and it was so crowded and people were so stressed out. People are very stressed out in South Korea. I would say that in every big city it tends to be like that, but especially here people are very stressed out. They are always in a rush. They don't take the time to appreciate things, I feel like. But anyway, I will do a little haul. I got this very big bag, but there's not that much inside of it. It's just that I took the wrong size. So first off, we've got body wash for dry skin. Then along with that we have olive shampoo and rinse. We love olives, we are Mediterranean in this household. A hand towel, because I have a body towel and I have a foot towel, like the towel that you put outside of the shower so that you don't make a mess. But I didn't have a hand towel. Now we also have a little bin. I already have one, but I decided that that one that I already have I would use for regular rubbish, and then this one would be for plastic. Then we have what they call pulp pads. Of course, some bags which I will use for the bins. And finally, this is very random, I got this. These ones I wanted to try because I used to follow this one girl on YouTube who would post videos of herself eating Korean snacks. Each week she would get two Korean snacks, and she would eat them both and then compare them. These piqued my interest, so I might try them later. Yeah, I'm gonna edit a little bit and then I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'm gonna go. They smell good. They are good. Oh, I also have the bungeoppang from this morning that I can eat as dessert if I want to, which I don't want to.
That face mask? Okay, that is a sharp. I'm so sorry.
It's good even cold. How is that even possible? I love that. Okay, I have rested for a bit. I basically lied down on the bed and listened to TED Talks. It is 4 p.m. and I'm gonna go walk around a little bit because I've already rested, and I will see what we have around here. We are ready to go.
회원가입을 안 했어요. 그 다음에는 색각 검사해 볼 건데 이걸로 왼쪽 눈 살짝 그려보세요. 이쪽.
여기요?
네. 자, 그려서 네, 얘 한번 읽어보세요.
시위?
네. 이거는요?
8,
이거는요?
57,
오른쪽 눈 그려봐 주세요. 이거는요?
3,
이거는요?
74,
이거는요?
45.
됐어요. 잘 안 보일 줄 알았거든요. 근데 잘 보이네. 지금 보는 거랑 이거랑 뭐가 더 좋을까요?
비슷해요.
비슷해요? 이거랑.
아, 이게 더 좋아요.
그래도 오른쪽이 더 잘 보이고.
네.
왼쪽은 지금 보는 거랑 이거랑.
아직 좀 그려요.
이게 더 좋아요?
네. Ice cream. There's some ice cream in here? But this is a laundry room. That's crazy. Lᴏᴅᴅ. That's Italian. That is beautiful. Que això és molt maco. Chicken chuck choco. What? Ja estem al sistema perquè hem fet les ditades. Sí. Ui, 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 ui. Està en basc i no està en català. En plan, que m'agrada que estigui en basc, però hola, i el català. Com et sents, Irene?
Molt trista. Aprofitaré i pixaré mirant les vistes. Ja sortirem. Uau! Uala!
Tia, em fas una foto amb algun d'aquests?
Vale, quin vols?
Ai, un moment, que estic acabant de gravar. Ai, aquí asseguda!
Podem baixar molt lluny perquè anava a Sant Telefèric, no? Espanya i Itàlia.
I a França també.
Sí? Alemanya no es pot.
No? Okay, I am very red. In order to finish this rice that we have from yesterday, I bought something to accompany it. Roasted kim with perilla oil. Tamti, which is tuna. This is a vegetable tuna and this is spicy tuna. But this is already spicy, so I think I'm going to use the vegetable tuna. It comes with peas and corn and stuff like that. Alright, this is my dinner. Here we go, let's see if it's good. god. I love Kim. So good. Estoy grabando un vlog. ¿Quieres saludar al vlog?
Hola.